Jambo everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Atieno. If you're new here, you're most welcome. So guys, welcome to part 2 of Fort Portal Adventure. Today we are so excited to take you to one of the most iconic historical place in Fort Portal, Amabere Caves. Guys, we're here. Excited. So we're going down to Amabere Caves. For those of you who don't know, Amabere Caves are located in the heart of Fort Portal. And according to the local mythology, these caves are not only stunning and beautiful, but the caves are home to the gods and hold spiritual significance to the local community. I remember, guys, in high school, we studied about this place and the gods. The Bachwezi people, they were not like normal people like us. They were gods. I hope our tour guide will take us through that, the whole thingy, the whole story and everything. This place, the local name, they call it Amabere Namwino. The boobs to Namwino. So guys, if you are coming to Uganda, please add this place to your bucket list. You'll enjoy the history, the culture, the traditions, and you'll learn something from this place. Let me turn the microphone to our tour guide. People died. I was like, huh?
I also like the island of Bunyonyi.
Yeah, I want to go to Bunyonyi.
Bunyonyi is a very beautiful island.
Wow.
I like that place.
So what is the history behind the Amabere?
It's the Amabere.
Yeah.
The Amabere means the breast.
Yes.
So now,
Yeah.
this place here,
Yeah.
they believe that it was occupied by the giants.
Uh-huh.
And those giants, in my language, we call them the Bachwezi.
Yes.
I don't know if you ever heard of that.
Oh yes, we studied the Bachwezi in school.
That is it.
Yeah.
So those Bachwezi were demigods.
Yeah.
Not rich human beings like us.
Yes.
Yes, they could change themselves into human beings.
Yes.
But they could keep changing into many things like animals, cows, fire.
Yeah, they told us
Wind.
you can find them sitting on water.
That is it. So those were the Bachwezi we are talking about now.
Wow.
So this place here, they believe that it was occupied by those Bachwezi from around 13th, 15th centuries.
Oh.
There's another place called Bigodiamden. You think you've heard of that place?
Yes, I've heard it. Yes.
So those Bachwezi had put their main administration. So some of them, they were scattered. They were staying this side of the region here.
Oh.
And this place here, they believe that it was owned by the king of the Chwezi dynasty called Bokuku. But that king called Bokuku, before he became a king at first,
Yeah.
he was serving as the gatekeeper of the underground king called Isazi. Then when he got there,
Yeah.
they believe that there was another queen, she was called Namyonga. Namyonga, she was a lady.
Yeah.
She was ruling the Atle Empire.
I remember
And she was
that
the friend
lady.
of Bokuku, the gatekeeper. So one day Bokuku decided to come and visit Namyonga, the queen of the earth.
Yeah.
When he reached on the ground, found Namyonga, the friend she had gone.
Yeah.
To visit another friend in the pharaoh.
Yeah.
So the servants on Namyonga, they waited for her to come back and attend the friend of Bokuku at the house. But unfortunately, what happened, the place where she went, she didn't come back. She disappeared from there. So
Oh.
Bokuku, since he was the gatekeeper of the underground king,
Yeah.
he had already gained some skills of leadership. So he came back on the ground and used those own skills and conquered the house. He became the what? The king of
The
earth.
king.
So after a period of time, he produced a princess. That princess was named Nyamata. She was named Nyamata because she was very beautiful, like milk.
Oh.
Yes.
It means beautiful.
Yes.
Wow, I'm changing my name.
And after a period of time,
Yeah.
she was also given the second name,
Uh-huh.
Ninamwili.
Ninamwili.
Ninamwili means the mother of the slaves.
Uh-huh.
Yes. So she was given that name, the mother of the slaves, because she could spend most of her time in the slaves. She could take care of the what? Of the slaves.
Of the slaves.
That's why they named her
Minamwin.
And even she ended up falling in love with one of the slaves called Simba, who was taking care of cows. But Bukoko as the king, he had already chosen a man who was supposed to marry that man.
Yeah.
Because at first he had got a dream that if it happens the princess Nyamata give birth to a baby boy,
Yeah.
that baby boy is the one who was supposed to become the what? The king.
The king.
And for him he was supposed to be killed. Nay had friend means how he could give us to the nation by looking for the man who could not impregnate the princess, an important man.
Yeah.
But the princess rejected that man. She had to proceed in a very serious relationship with the what? The old boyfriend.
With the old boy.
So the king got annoyed. He decided to become the princess by chopping off her breast so that Simba, the boyfriend, can live with that time. That's what the king did. Chopped off the breast of the princess and threw them in one of the caves down there. So during the rock formation, the stones they came and formed a worship for the what?
Guys, look at this. Look at the waterfall. Look at the nature. Okay, now this is so beautiful. Yes. Yo, guys, I had to change to that dress so that I slay. Whew. Yo. So guys, we are at the next cave. This is
So this is the second cave.
Oh, the second cave.
It's where we have the
the
stones
breast.
that form like the breast over here.
Yeah.
Those are the ones they call the breast for that lady, the mother of the slaves we are talking about.
Yeah.
So up here you can see the bees. The
Yes.
bees that if you guarded the giants.
Yes.
They've been here for many years, they don't move.
Why?
And
they
stay-
don't
it's
attack
like their
people?
home.
Ah,
They
okay.
attack people when you disturb them or when you
Oh.
shout a lot here.
Yeah.
Okay.
So they to work with dogs up here. Are you seeing the breast for the dogs there?
Yeah.
The first column, the second
Yes.
column.
Yes.
Then this
The
one.
shape is like a dog.
Yeah. Then this one here up, it formed like the face of the chimpanzee here.
Yeah.
Here.
Yeah.
It's facing down like this.
Yeah.
Yes.
So the chimpanzee in the history could play with the princess.
Oh.
The one called the mother of the slaves when she was still young at the king's power.
Nice.
Wow.
This is extremely interesting.
Wow. This is so beautiful. Shoo, shoo. Guys, see the beauty of Uganda, specifically western part of Uganda. Fort Patrol. This is not my village. My village doesn't have these. I'm not decampaigning my village, but have to appreciate. Oh, this is what? I don't know. Where is our guide? Guys, look at the road.
This is what they call the conference hall.
Wow.
What is with the conference hall?
All the giants could gather themselves and have a meeting.
Oh, wow.
Oh, this was the hall. Wow. Good. Look at this. You should come and visit Fort Porto. Fort Porto. Fort Porto. Guys, it's really beautiful. Worth your money. I'm not complaining. This place. I saw some kids going up. What is
Yeah,
that?
that side, the hill is so high.
Uh-huh.
If you want that side, you can just take yourself.
Oh.
Yeah.
Sis, what do you think?
You want to hike?
Of course.
Okay.
Do you think we can make it to the kingdom?
I don't know.
Nice lake, huh?
It's late.
It's late. So we better hike here.
Yeah, you better hike. You go at 20 there.
What do you think?
Yeah, good idea. Let's go and hike. Oh my god, I messed up the bag, but it's worth it.
Ooh, this is interesting. This is interesting, guys. See where we are walking from. Bam, 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 bam. Imagine hiking on a dress. So we are so guys, right now we are going to hike up there, guys. You can see. I can't wait to be there up and see the view. Guys, I wish you were here, all of you, so that you can enjoy this beautiful place. Why are you laughing in my video?
I'm sorry. Anyways, for everyone to be with you.
So that they can enjoy the beautiful place.
I know it's really good.
We are here enjoying our time, moment, whatever it is. But just look at this, guys. Just look at this. Isn't God so good for us?
Why am I even talking?
God
My mouth.
is so creative. And when he was creating Uganda, guys, I'm not saying only Uganda, but when he was creating Uganda, he spent more time, especially in Fort Portal. He spent more time. Guys! Let's go. Guys! Just look at Look at this beauty, guys. You should come and do this hair too. It is so beautiful. Wow.
That's a cute picture. Now turn around. Cute.
Thank you. But I feel like my phone camera is not doing justice to this place because it's more beautiful than this. Guys, this is another view. You see? But I'm so tired. You see, guys, the Great Hall Lake. You see that?
One of them.
One of them. But if you go the other side up, you can see it very well with a nice view. Oh, yeah. This is how Fort Portal. We're in which region? Nature, I believe I can fly
To where?
to the Greater Lake. I believe I can touch the sky. Guys, I've started to feel that song right now. It's like I'm in heaven right now. Because I believe I can fly. I'm near the heaven, you can see. But anyways, guys, consider visiting Fort Portal, western part of Uganda, and see this beauty. We can't finish it today because we have other things, but they have the hot springs, mountain Renzori, Crater Lakes, Amabere caves. Sorry, why am I saying caves? Caves. They have so many different things like you can enjoy. So I hope you enjoyed this tour and learned something from this tour. Bye Fort Portal. See you next time. our restaurant. That's where the journey is down. Yeah.